Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Yeah, so as you can see by the title, I got an unboxing. Something I ordered here from, the Big Smile Company for the use here. So let me get out my everyday carry utility knife here. That side and that side and down the middle. All right, and wow, the box inside almost fits exactly for the box outside. And what did I get? I got the Mr. Heater Little Buddy. And the reason I got this is because, well, I'm going to open it up here so you can see inside what it looks like. It'll be the first time I see inside what it looks like too. The in the master bath, I got one of the Mr. Heater Buddies, and it puts out more heat in there than what I need in there for taking a shower when the house is all cold and not nice and warm. So I got this. It'll save on propane because I'm not using as much propane to heat that up real quick. And let's see, of course, we got the booklet here with the cover letter they're putting on everything nowadays. I'm not sure. I think that might be French or Italian on there after the English above it. So this is a portable electric heater. And it's meant to go on the 1 pound refillables or non-refillables. And so that's all I really need in there because it's not going to be running all the time. It's only going to be running, maybe 10 minutes before I go in there to take a shower. I turn it on and it runs while I'm in the shower. I get out, I turn it off, finish drying off, and get dressed. And so let's see what we got here. So it comes with a base for the, I can see you. It comes with the base for the little 1 pound bottles. I'm sorry, my grandkids are always peeking through stuff and go, I can see you. And they think that's the funniest thing. All right, then the main unit here. And it has a nice tag for warning. When used without adequate combustion and ventilation air, the heater may give off carbon monoxide, an odorless, poisonous gas. Do not use this heater unless provisions are in place for combustion ventilation, blah, 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 blah. Well, yeah, it's in the bathroom with a ventilation fan going and sucking all the excess moisture out. So yeah, it'll be absolutely safe. And it does say on this, indoor safe, because it does come with the low oxygen sensor, which shuts it off. Okay, so it has a nice handle here on it. It has the 2 buttons. The red one is the one to start. And this is push to ignite. After lit, hold for 30 seconds, release to start heater. So when you push it in, it does a little click and ignites the pilot light. And you wait for the pilot sensor to stay on. Then you let go of it. Usually only takes about 5 to 10 seconds, really. And then when you go to turn it off, you just push that and it turns it off. Okay? And of course, it has your standard for the 1 pound bottles there. However, there is something neat out there called a propane, if I get my tongue untied here, a propane tree. And it's used for camping. And so you have the 5 gallon or the 20 pound bottles, or even the 7.5 gallon 30 pound bottles. And what you do is it screws on to the main valve and it comes up and has the 1 pound outlets on it going up, 2 or 3 going up, and then 1 on top. Well, the one on top is usually for a lantern, a propane lantern. You put that on top, you have your lantern up there. Well, some of them are short and they're only, about that tall, and they go on up to 3 feet tall. Well, the short one, which I have one of, this can go right on top, and this can sit on top of a 20-pound, 5-gallon propane tank, and it'll work just as good there. And so after I get everything all set up, I will do another video showing how it works. But this is what I got to help keep the bathroom warm, because that bathroom being at the far end of the house, farthest away from the heater vents and stuff, it's usually colder than the rest of the house. So anyway, I got this, and should be having a nice time here shortly. All right, so as always, stay happy, stay safe, keep adding to your preps, add to your food and water storage, and I will see you around in the next video.